Hello.
Hello everyone.
We're back.
How we doing?
We come to you from sunny London this time. We've just popped back for my graduation. Very belated, 2 years later.
Congratulations.
Oh, thank you. So we've left Doreen in Norway. She's currently in Stavanger.
So we're looking at getting flights back to Stavanger straight away after the graduation and we had a bit of a mad idea. What do you think about this?
We are now going to be flying to two separate areas. I'll be going to Rodez in France.
I will be going to what I thought was Milan in Italy, but it's somewhere outside Milan now. And basically we're going to race back to Doreen in Norway.
So yeah, sounds quite simple, right?
Yeah.
We've got some rules to make it a little bit more complicated.
Rule 1.
No flying. Rule 2.
No mobile phones for planning routes at all. We're going to have a paper map each to start with, and that's it.
And that includes no social media and no using maps or city mapper or anything to plan routes.
Exactly. Rule 3.
We can contact friends, however, we don't have access to social media, so we have to do the first contact. And if we do have any help, they can drive us up to a border, but not beyond a border.
Paloma hates this one. No WhatsApp, no Instagram, nothing.
So we can't read any messages that are sent to us, but we can make the first contact to somebody that we want. Rule 4.
Maximum free train tickets. A ticket may include a changeover. Rule 5.
We have to do all of this within a budget of £350, which is the cost of a flight back to Stavanger from our relative places.
Yeah. And that would include food and accommodation and travel. And
all within Scandinavia.
Yeah. And we have 3 Scandinavian countries to go through, so it's not that easy.
The first person to touch Doreen wins.
Is the winner.
And we need your help to decide on what the loser has to do as a forfeit.
We had some initial ideas. One was that we have to go swimming in a glacier lake, but we think you guys can come up with some better ideas as forfeits. So the madder the better, get them over to us. We're checking our messages between now and when we fly, and when we get back, of course, and we're going to go through them and chat to you about it and pick the best forfeit for when I win. So Paloma has to do the forfeit. Because I'm gonna win.
So you will be able to follow us live on our stories on our Rolling Routes Instagram account. We will be able to post any videos through our stories, but we're not going to be able to check our messages. So any messages you want to send us, you can send them through, but we won't be reading them until we get home.
Yeah, so if I've posted a story, Paloma can't see it, and same the other way around, but we're going to be constantly updating as we're travelling. So it's going to be mad, it's going to be manic, it's going to be fun.
So keep an eye out for some very, very funny moments.
Yes, it's going to be, it's going to be fun. And just to note, we're going to use Paloma's mum as the middle person to contact just to say we're safe every now and again. And she can obviously contact us in case there's an emergency. Or
on the other side.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And apart from that, let us know what you think, comment below.
Thank you so much. See you on the other side.